Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to connect GitHub to Claude AI. So I'll walk you through exactly how to connect your GitHub account to Claude AI so you can let Claude read your repos, help with code, and even manage pull requests directly from your chat. So first, open up Claude and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, click your account icon in the bottom left corner. From the menu that pops up, select Settings. So once you're in Settings, look for Connectors. So it's under Customize, click on it. So click Connectors. Now this is where Claude lists all the third-party apps you can link up. So you can scroll down or look near the top and you'll spot GitHub integration. So go ahead and click Connect beside it. So this will open a GitHub sign-in window. So if you use a work or personal email for GitHub, just type in your username or email plus your password, then hit sign in. If your GitHub account is linked to Google or Apple, so no worries, just tap that sign in option and it will log you in the same way. So after you sign in, GitHub will ask you to authorize the connection. So just click allow or authorize, and once it's done, so your GitHub account is officially linked to Claude. So you'll see the connection status confirmed right there in your connectors. So usually with a green check mark or connected label.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
Next to it. And that's it. Now Claude has access to your repositories to help you review code, debug issues, so all without leaving your chat. And that's it. Thanks for watching.